A very powerful control for organizing your application is the tab control. Let's create a new application and we'll place a tab control in the grid. There are a number of properties we can set for the tab control, but for now we'll just set a simple tab control, and inside the tab control we will put tab items. Each item will have a header, and that's what will appear in the tab itself, and we can add content to the tab item, and that will appear on the tab. Let's create a couple more tabs. And for now, we won't add any content to tabs 2 or 3, but we will use them to see how the tab control itself works. Let's run the application. And you can see that tab 1 comes up with its content. Tabs 2 and 3 come up and are blank. You don't have to put just text as the content. You can put any content you like, but only one item can go there, so the typical thing to do is to put a panel, and then of course in the panel you can have as many items as you like. We'll add a stack panel. Within the stack panel, the first thing we'll add is another stack panel whose orientation is horizontal, and within that we'll use a text block as a prompt, and then we'll add a text box as well. That's the inner stack panel. Now continuing on with the stack panel, let's go ahead and add a checkbox. And we'll add a little bit of content to the checkbox, which will appear as the text associated with the checkbox. We can look in the design view and see what that's going to look like, and now we can run the application. And we can see the content in tab 1. When we go to tab 2, we see the content that's in our stack panel, and this is all interactive and works exactly as you would expect. Tab 3 has no content, and you can move among the tabs, thereby putting a great deal of information in a small space.